during the moment. And as sir had told that live your life moment by moment. And we all have power every moment to choose what to accept and what let go. Mainly, we all get disturbed or unhappy because we hold something. We hold grudges or we hold some anger, some moments, either something of the past memories or some worries of future. So we keep on holding. And then because of that holding, we don't realize that we have the power to choose, as Hasina ma'am show that, a smile. And as soon as we smile, it gives message to our brain that we are happy. So a smile is a very powerful tool to make ourselves every moment happy by choosing the smile. So this is what I'm going to do today. I'll keep on smiling on the moment so that my brain will get tricked that this guy is happy. And ultimately, as sir had told, that your physiology is important because it changes the psychology. So let's start with the intention of smiling every moment and making the day throughout happiest day. So wish you all good luck. Thank you so much. I'm with Ramaji. Over to you.
Right. Thank you, Kunanji. So now let's, like Nidhi suggested, we have been empowering ourselves the mornings. Let's also think through and say how we can empower our families and how we are already empowering our families. So this is something I think we can share. It's a great thing because it's not just empowering ourselves, we have to empower others. First to start from the family and then goes to others. So let's talk about how are we empowering our families and how else we can empower our families. Yes,
speak?
sir. Rediger, go ahead.
First, I have to congratulate Nidhi, ma'am, because her face is always smiling. And
thank you.
attending Sukhdeep sir classes and learning whatever he is teaching us, I am trying to explain to my all family members what I have learned and how. I think there is a dramatic change in my behavior with my own family members, and they're also appreciating that. Why? Because earlier I used to give a lot of priority for work than family. Now, as I told sir also, basically I joined this program for improving the relationship. That's what I thought is lacking within me and within my family. I have seen a lot of improvement for the last, I think I joined 2 months back or 3 months back. I think more than that. So I'm very happy, and I am trying to, whenever there is any argument comes, then I give an example, what Sir told us, all of us. So in fact, they're convinced, yes, what you said is right, we can do even like that. And what Kunan sir said is excellent. You have to choose your decisions every moment by moment. Otherwise, you go only by your emotions and back your judgments. That's what I want to share with you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Beautiful share. Very nice. You are able to show your own empowerment and you are able to convey that to your family as well. Excellent, sir. Thank you. Yes, Hasina ji, go ahead. Unmute.
You're unmute.
Hasina ji, you are muted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I share how I spend my day being smiling yesterday? All the time I'm smiling and people around are saying, what's wrong with you? I said, no, this is what is right with me.
Yes.
Can you all hear me?
Yes. Little bit louder. Maybe you have to go near the phone or the computer.
No.
But Hasina ji, we hear that.
Go ahead.
You answered people properly.
Yeah, did you all hear what I said? So I won't repeat.
Go ahead.
Yes,
Go ahead.
you said that you were smiling whole day yesterday, and everybody was asking that is something wrong with you, and you said no. I think everything is right with me.
Yeah. So besides that they are there or not, whatever I'm doing, I've got a smile on my face, which really made difference to me.
Great.
That's all.
So that itself empowers others, creates positive energy and the smile in them as well. Excellent. So who's next? How you are empowering your family with your empowerment? So who wants to go next?
You can call the name also, Ramaji.
Yeah, sure.
Vetrival is there.
Yeah, Shakti, would you like to go next? Nice to see you sitting at one place on Sunday.
So, thank you. For me, it's like today's morning started. For me, it's like 5 a.m. I called my brother. It started already because he's traveling back home. So, actually, I used to spend a lot of time with my niece in the evening. Usually, in the Sundays, I used to call twice or thrice. That's how I used to spend my weekends. It will give a lot of happiness whenever I'm spending with my niece and nephews.
Sure.
Thank you.
So is there anything new you do which empowers your family members?
Usually I will call home, I will talk only 2 minutes. Maybe I'll change that. I will call them and talk a little more. Maybe that's the change I need to do.
Yeah. Also, maybe the way you talk.
Yes. It's like always I used to, my tone will be a little hard always. That maybe I need to change.
Okay, thank you. Vetrivel, you want to say something? How
Yes,
you are
sir,
empowering your family?
yeah, I believe that I'm empowering them by my conversation, but we have to get other side also. Actually, since I'm sitting in Dubai, I sometimes surprise them with ordering some their own favorite food without telling them. I that also I'll do little differently. I'll do little more quantity. Then it is like giving them a surprise, giving them little more surprise. My wife usually doesn't order in that quantity. I did during the last week also. I'm just thinking after discussing these things, how to empower them or how to make them happy. I'm just thinking. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So when I speak to my family members, I am more conscious about myself and others, and I'm able to look at from their point of view and then talk much more carefully and not affected by negative emotions. So that gives a lot of empowerment to really understand what is the real message or the viewpoint from the others, and then that helps to understand and solve, if at all, any problems, or understand better and move on in that direction. So that way the overall relationship definitely keeps improving. So that's my experience. Neeti, do you want to say how you are empowering your near and dear ones?
I think this is one of the rare Sundays where I have actually not planned anything. I have not thought of anything. There's just been a lot going on, so I'll just take the day as it comes. I've not been able to think out anything as yet.
Okay. Yes, Leena ji, do you want to say something?
Actually, Rama sir, I didn't do anything about it, but started thinking positively only. That's all.
Okay, that's a great starting point.
Because now everywhere it's negativity. So whenever I talk to people, speak only about positive things, not any negative. That's
Great.
all.
Yeah, you are not on video.
Yeah, I'm making breakfast.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Leena ji, we can hear that also.
Okay, making dosa.
We all are ready for dosa.
This all started because of Niti. Na? Niti only put this food thought. Now I am feeling more hungry.
No, but Vetri here, not only
Oh.
food for stomach, there is food for thought also, right? So much of food for our thought in this forum.
Yeah. Sunday has to be special. I believe you only get 1 or 2 days with your family. So you should like forget all the things which has happened in the week and spend the day fresh, empowering each other and be with each other.
Okay, great. So Nehal, do you want to share how you are empowering yourself and your family?
For me, actually, the thing is that it's because of the strict lockdown in Mumbai. So anyway, everyone is at home, and today being a weekend, I think I would just give my fully. See, what happened is Monday to Friday you have an office, so you are like kind of divided your attention between the family and yourself and the work. But see, today is a Sunday, so possibly I would give myself fully to the family, and I will focus more on my breathing work, because I like to actually do meditation, and when I do meditate, I feel that I am kind of more in a present moment, and once you're in the present moment, I think the rest everything fall in place automatically. So yeah, I think that would be the thing in my case.
Yeah, that's greatest empowerment. Yeah. Thank you. Sandeep, we are all talking about how we are empowered ourselves and how we are empowering our family members first. So you can talk about it if you are ready. You're muted.
Yeah, very good morning, first of all.
Good morning.
And I'm actually out since last 3 days. So first, coming to your the topic, I feel empowering by being others in need of time. So that is what I'm doing actually for last several years. And there are a lot of people who go through a lot of challenges. Some of them they share with you, some of them they don't. So I think it is a time to basically read their silence, read their words, and be with them.
Is everything fine with you, Sandeep? Like,
All is good. Actually, I'm at Vasai now, so there were some issues actually. Yesterday, I lost 4-5 people very close to me, and I'm here to support my sister because 7 of them they were positive. One is critical, and luckily she's out. She will be out of ICU today. So I just started in this program. I will be leaving to Thane once our program is done.
so we all will pray for
Yes.
everyone in your family.
Yes,
No, all
yes,
is-
we will.
Yeah, the worst time has passed. All is good now.
Thank God.
Yeah, take care, Sandeep, and do what best you can do, helping others. And we are all there.
Yeah, all is good now. All is good. Sorry, actually, the thing is, I'm at new place, so and I'm using a new equipment. So not very much, and I'm not able to see actually the screen. Sorry. So that is creating a little issue with me actually. So thanks all of you, and have a wonderful day. I will be leaving actually now. So just came to say good morning to all of you. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Take care. So
Take care.
all our prayers
Take
and our
care.
energy is with
Yeah,
you.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Take care.
Sir, today that breakfast, sir is not there.
Today he couldn't join.
Okay.
Anything, Lena, ma'am?
No, actually, I posted in the group also that yesterday's and day before yesterday. I haven't joined, so I want to see the videos.
Ah, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, it will be posted. It will be posted.
Thank you, thank you.
I think it is Prithvi, right? A Galaxy A9 Pro. Is it Prithvi, sir? Yes. Would you like to? Yeah, you have to unmute. Yeah. Would you like
Yeah,
to?
this is Suresh here. Yeah, yeah. Good morning to you all.
Good
You know,
morning.
after 2-3 days, I'm joining again,
Okay.
and I'm really happy to see all people over here, and they're talking very, very positively about it, how to go about this life and every moment and present moment. And just now, Mr. Sandeep has said that he was in a trouble. He had to face a lot of problems over here, and I think everybody is going through the same phase as such. So in this present situation, I think is that you have to keep cool yourself, right, and keep yourself very, very positive. And whatever it comes, you have to face it very, very boldly as such. And by doing all these things, by showing your positive thoughts, you can spread the positivity, and you can keep calm, and you can do whatever comes before you and face it boldly. This is the thing that you can do in the present situation, and you can encourage or you can motivate people to live the life. And whatever Mr. Shahidi said, right, that is also very good thought he has shared with us. So thank you, Mr. Shahidi, also. And I agree with all of you. I'm really benefited. And I should thank Nidhi also, who introduced me here in this group. So thank you, Mr. Rama. So
Thank you.
for
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Rama
Right,
sir, I
Susan,
would like
would you
to
like? Yeah, yes, Vetri. Yeah.
I would like to share a small understanding.
Yes, please.
I feel that it may be helpful for everyone. When initially I started communicating or coming to Sukhdeepak sir's vicinity, he was he was teaching me the energy beaming, energy pulling exercise. To put it in literal term, if you feel somebody needs some help, you do physical help, but you send energy. Positively think that from your brain, mind, you say that I'm sending energy to you, sending love and energy, you get healed. Some relationship to be repaired, even though they are not talking, you send them energy positively. When initially I hear that, I was not so okay with that. I was thinking he must have seen some Chinese movie and he must have picked something I was thinking. Then after going subject deeper, this abundance, infinity concept, how we block with our own fear and doubts. So many things. Now I understand that sending energy removes our fear and negativity. Then obviously that person gets that energy and he gets healed. That is what happening in pranic healing and other stuff also. So we certainly have power now. Whoever even Sandeep relatives needs energy, we can send. We have all energy. If within our group we can share energy, we can share. Some of the exercise after doing, they were crying. I send energy to my sister who I didn't speak for 8 years. She's calling me. I'm not calling. Something like that. I got surprised. This is a magic formula, sending energy. Now, at present, this situation, this is very much needed. Let us all send energy to the needy people and also send energy to the people whom we want to repair the relationship. Just start off sharing with you, Ramaji.
Thank you, Vetri. I think it's a need of the hour. If time permits, we will do that exercise. Energy pulling from the universe and sending the energy to the people who need it. So we can do that exercise, either one of them or both of them. We'll do that, Vetri. I think it will be very useful. Depending upon the time, we'll decide. So Susan, would you like to share what are the how do you empower yourself and your family?
So one thing I'd like to say is after yesterday's session, I've been smiling more. Number one.
Ah, okay.
Number two, you know, the
So shall we see your
level.
smiling face now?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, thank you.
So the energy level has been more. Like I am used to calling a lot of people. So when I call people now, the pitch is maybe 2 grades higher than what it generally used to be.
Oh, great.
That is one change I found in myself. And we are all here in lockdown. So it's only family. So maybe cooking, doing things together, praying, which is very important at this point in time. So,
Great. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. I think you are really demonstrating it and following it in life. Great. Thank you. So, Suchitra, how are you empowering yourself and your family? Kasha, okay. Kasha will come to you. I think Suchitra is starting.
Morning, sir. Good morning to everybody.
Morning.
I am. My mother usually is up at 4 in the morning and she spends her entire day with gods and goddesses of different kinds on TV and in person praying. But from today, I had insisted that she joins the morning conversation with me and spend time with human beings in flesh and blood. So that's one way I'm empowering her.
Can we see Amma?
Yeah, she's a bit shy, but I
Amma, namaskar.
wants to be off the camera.
Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Excellent. Very, very good, Suchitra. Thank you. Okay. Kasha, would you like to go? How are you empowering yourself and your family?
Recently dad passed away, and yes, there's a lot of grief, and in spite of that, today I should go out and stand and show that I'm strong to my people around, because to show that I'm pushing myself, and I'm cheering up everyone. So and thanks to Empowering Morning, because I could able to create that energy, that that additional push, that energy. This is giving me a good kickstart to cope up with the current situation. Thank you, one and all. And I should especially thank Shakti for,
For our Shakti.
Yeah, Shakti Koda.
Yeah, Shakti Koda.
Nalla Shakti Koduthirukanga.
Excellent, excellent.
And I request your prayers and energies to our family and to our friends to come out of the current challenges and situation. And thank you one and all.
Sure, sure. Thank you, Kasha. Our prayers and our intentions are there with you and your family. So wish you all the best.
Oh, one thing I can assure you is, Kasha, you are in the right place doing the right thing. So
exactly.
you will lead the thing, and you will come and say as that I did so many things. Everything happens for some reason, and now you are in charge of everything. All the best to you.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Yeah, Asina ji, go ahead.
Sir, tomorrow is a big night for us to say prayers from 10 o'clock till sunrise. I'm going to pray for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so next one is Archana May. After that, Vijay sir.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, as such, I am a person who takes life in a lighter note. And even if some serious thing happens, I consider it that whatever is happening for the good. And in the process, the people around me, when I'm talking to them, they feel better. So that is one of the way of my passing positive energy to them. Of course, that is, it is in my nature. And wherever possible, I try passing it to the people. Besides that, when I'm joining this conversation in the morning, I feel that I am blessed with more energy to pass it to people. Besides this, for last 2 days, we have heard many family family friends and all, many bad news as such. So I was literally, when hearing such bad news, it was very difficult to overcome from that. Like day before it was 3 people I heard, and yesterday 1. So when you know somebody and their family members, somebody goes, it is really disheartening. So in this testing time, to overcome those feelings and pray for them, it was really difficult. So I really feel very nice when I joined this for the day to look forward to with positivity.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Yeah, great. Thank you. So Vijay sir, please say how you are empowering your family. After that, please empower us by giving one tool for structure.
Okay, fine. Now, Rama, I look
Yes.
to the nature.
Yeah.
I see we human beings and all the animals are the consumers. We take everything from the nature. So what occurred to me in the last 4 months, working on my consciousness and raising my awareness, okay, I'm also part of the nature. I can consume also, I can give also. So standing from them, even though I'm with the NGO for last almost 30 plus 35 years, I'm working actively. I change my agenda rather than taking them to giving to everybody. And same thing I was sharing with my family also कि हम सबकी लाइफ में खुशी लाते हैं. तो जब से ये कोरोना आया और मैं फ्रेंकली में कुछ लास्ट 6 महीने से काम कर रहा हूँ. तो yesterday I got the big result, boss. Everybody will be more happy. Worldwide, all the vaccines are made from Pittsburgh only, alum only. I find out. I spent almost 12 hours in last 3 days to find out. And this is a great news. We are working on it. And right now we are working on Pittsburgh and other thing to see that how the human being and the mankind can be saved from this whole system. At the same time, I also pray and ask the forgiveness from the bacteria or the virus of corona.
Bring the mic near to you. Yeah.
I also work on the gratitude and the forgiveness to the nature and the people including in this group also. I hardly maintained the integrity recently in attending the meeting. I used to come at the last moment, and I used to, as per my nature, I used to topsy-turvy everything. Okay. Second thing, coming to the point of keeping, what I realize right now, okay, when we do anything, no, it has to be sustainable for long term. You know how the people in politics and science have to be talked. So I say, why not I can apply in my own life. So I started writing the journal. There is an app called Journey available in the App Store and the Play Store also and iOS also. So I'm writing my daily journal, what I'm looking forward to, intend to achieve. And then I think, why I intend to achieve, what is missing in my life? Whether I'm coming from incomplete in life, and something is not there, something is void and I need to fill up, and I realize I have everything. And friends, you know what realization I have since last fortnight, since last 4 months, since last 6 months, I was having the high money crunch. There was some business and legal issue came up. I realized what was the cause of that. Then I realized the way I was fighting with the people, no, was the cause of creating concern for me and others. I was not contributing. I was only collecting of something and I was doing something for my pleasure, making somebody wrong and saying I am right. This is my confession. And when I changed the stand from the collections to contributing, magic appeared in my life.
Come near the mic.
Now in my, let's say in the business of insurance, correct? So I'm getting now clients daily. In my working for the healing, I'm able to contribute to the thousands of people daily. And we had a press conference 3 days back, and I'm working as a leading research, another scientist by the way profession. I'm working in the global research to find out the cause of this corona, and mainly how to eradicate corona. And that we got it. I think it's a moment of eureka for the whole mankind. I was simply an instrument made by the God for the benefit of God. Mainly I understand, yeah, I'm an instant no? जब तक मेरे में से कुछ भी नहीं आएगी तभी तब तक मेरी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. तो मैं ये सब सोच के मैं जी रहा हूँ, मजे ले रहा हूँ. मेरे ब्रेस्ट में अभी एक खुशबू आ रही है मुझे. So thank you very much, friends.
Thank you.
Now,
Thank you, Vijay sir.
Coming to the point, how we sustain, no? We all should write a system. Say what I want to have at the end of the day. See, I beg to differ on certain points. 2 days back. There is no need to be unique. The way we are made by the God, we all are my whole complete and perfect. There is no need of making judgment and comparison. The way we are, when we accept the thing as it is, right? No, so we get aligned with the nature.
Thank you, Vijay.
Automatically. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And now there is
Yeah,
a small
so-
challenge to Rama sir. Whatever Vijay sir said in Hindi, you have to translate and tell me.
Yeah. So, yeah, I can understand from the context.
So I think now, Ramaji, it's your turn to share.
Yeah, I did share. So what I said, I will do it again if required. So what I was saying is that with the kind of empowerment we are all getting through all these sessions, through interactions and our own reflections. So what I do is with the family members, one, I calmly sit and listen. Second, I am able to look at their point of view much better when I'm calm and when I'm empowered. Third, I really like to have the conversation, not just giving advice. See, by default, that is a mode which comes. When it comes to the family member, we want, okay, you just do it. But instead, I really try to understand and have conversation and discuss multiple viewpoints, and then let them take the choice or the decision, rather than pushing that. Even though I know that this may be the right thing to do in this context, I don't push it. What I say is that, okay, let's discuss, see what are the 1, 2, 3 options available, and which one would you like to choose and why.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
so that is something I'm able to do with my kids actually. Thank you.
That's wonderful, Ramaji.
Yes,
Just since a little bit people shared some sad things and all, let's share little happy feelings also, or else kind of a lighter feeling. I would like
Yes.
to share one small thing. Since the morning conversation started, I am going for a walking in the evening. So I used
Take your
to-
mic near.
Jara loud, little loud. Yeah.
Sorry for that. Since this morning conversations are happening, I am going walking in the evening. I go to Jabil Park to some rounds. Sometimes my family also calls me. The thing what they do in Jabil Park is every 2-3 minutes they change the light of the tower frame. So it looks very nice to see. Every 2 minutes or 1 minute they change the color. Then with excitement I was showing my wife, see this color will change. I thought she will get so excited. She was started telling, this color I have sari. This color, no, I don't have a sari. No, this color. I said, the conversation went in different way. I said, hey, this color sari you have. We went and took in Saravana. So she said, no, it is lighter than that. I want this color. Then after 2-3 minutes, I realized the conversation going in a very different direction. Then I realized, no more Jabil Park, no more frame. Let us see each other face and talk.
Right. Thank you. So if you all are okay, we can do the energy pulling exercise. Shall we?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah, very
sit
much.
straight. Sit straight. And close your eyes. So the whole universe is full of energy. You can visualize the energy passing through you. You can pull the energy from the universe. From the top of your head, you can see the energy flowing inside you. So with your intention, pull the energy from universe from all directions, from top of your head, from front side, back side, right side, left side, and all over. You are immersed in the powerful energy field, which is the universe itself. It's full of energy. You have to just open up yourself with the intention of receiving the energy. It's all there. Just have the intention of receiving the energy from the universe and pull it. Let it pass through your system, your body. You can see that your body is a conductor which receives the energy, and it can be passed to wherever you want to pass it. Pull the energy from top, from the front, from the back side, from right side, left side, from the bottom, everywhere. Visualize yourself that your body is immersed in a powerful energy field, and visualize your body as a powerful conductor which absorbs the energy and also emanates the energy wherever it is required. Pull it more. Your whole body should be able to receive it, and you can visualize the body itself is very, very light in terms of the weight. Also, the light, the sunlight, your body is full of light energy, which you can receive from the sun, from the universe as a whole. Feel the energy coming in and passing and energizing your whole body and your whole system. Once you are full of energy, you can pass the energy to your near and dear ones, for the people who need energy and help. So with your intention, you can pass, you can imagine who needs the energy and pass the energy to them, because you are a powerful conductor who receives the energy from the universe and pass it on to the people who need it. So whoever needs the energy, imagine and pass your energy to them. They will get it. Beam the energy from your system, from all directions. Let it go to the people who need the energy, who are in difficult situations, who are suffering. You can pass your energy to all of them, because the energy is infinite. It is not limited. You are a conductor of the infinite energy from the universe. Receive it without any blocks and pass it to the people who are in need. Feel the energy passing through you, coming from the universe and going to the people who need it. Continue to feel the energy coming and going, and your system, your body pulsating with the energy. The required energy is already there, there in the universe. You don't need to worry about the shortage. It's abundant. The energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transferred or transformed. So you are the instrument to receive the energy and transfer it or transform it for good. If you have received, if you have passed on the energy to the people you know, you can visualize they getting better, getting energy, getting powerful, getting empowered, getting well and healthier. You should also feel very, very healthy when you are receiving the energy and passing the energy. With that thought and the feeling, once you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes.
Ramaji, amazing. Different level.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sure, yeah, you can share what did you feel if you want to. You can share
You
your
have
experience.
empowered us to empower the Sundays.
Just
Yeah.
enjoy.
So you have empowered us to empower the Sunday, like, you know.
I didn't know how to visualize the energy. So first I wanted it to be all smoke going into my system. Then I said, no, I don't like that gray color. So that I said, let the snow get into me. So since it's white and peaceful. That also didn't work. And I asked for some light going in. And that is what worked.
Very good.
Awesome.
You
Rama sir.
didn't ask for the pink light today?
No, I like white.
Okay, great, great, excellent.
Yeah, thank you, Rama sir. From yesterday, I was a bit worried because my brother is in was in Delhi. He was suffering some COVID symptoms. So he's going back to home today now. So I feel that he recovered completely. That I
Oh,
felt that energy. Yeah.
great.
Thanks a lot.
Excellent.
Rama sir,
Yes.
we can, how we
It was
can
wonderful
put
session.
our
Feeling
hands
very
while passing,
Kasha, 1 minute. Yes, Lina ma'am.
while passing the energy to somebody, how we can put our hands like this open. We should,
Can you ask the question again? I didn't get it.
how we should put our hands while passing the energy.
Oh, okay. You keep it open. Keep it open.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did it. Just felt that tingling sensation.
Yeah, excellent, excellent. That's very good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ramaji, I just have one question. When you say energy pooling and beaming, it's just that we have to think that energy is coming in to my being, and once you are full, then you can pass it on to the required.
Yes, not only imagining, you just let yourself in that thought. You can see that it really happens, that energy comes in and goes where you want. Yes, it can be imagination to start with, but you can feel it. You can realize that it is really happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good morning.
Rukmini.
I
Welcome.
felt good. Sir. It was an excellent procedure. I just visualized golden sun rays just passing through me, and I'm able to pass that golden rays to my kids and husband. Just wish I felt good. Thank you.
Okay, great, excellent. Thank you. Kasha, you were saying something.
So thank you. It was a very wonderful and energetic session. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you being there.
Sir, how did you learn this thing? Is there a procedure like this or something?
Of course, I learned from our sir, Subdeepak Malwai. So you be with him, you will learn whatever you want.
Okay, okay.
You will get whatever you want.
Yes. Or rather, whatever you need as well.
Actually, I remember it was get what you want. Now Sivaprasad said is with his big heart, whatever you want. Okay, Ramaji, we can.
Right. Thank you. I think it is another great day. So have a very energetic and powerful day and empowered day. Wish you all the best. We'll see you again tomorrow morning.
Yeah, thank you, Rama sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Keep smiling, guys. Keep spreading out energies.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we will stay.
Hasina ji, keep smiling.
Vetri,
Hasina
Kunain, and
ji,
Nidhi, we will stay.
Hasina ji, he.